Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing with our Great Wave Lego art build set, whatever. In the last bag of Legos, we added another layer, which added those and, another layer. I am recording this at night, so there are shadows from my hands and I usually have natural light, so sorry about that. But bag number 10. Let's get it open. And I don't know why I just don't open it over there. And we have a smaller bag here. Get that open as well. And let's get into it. So, there's the first step. Wow, okay, maybe I shouldn't record at night because that's a bad glare. But it's just one piece. And it goes where? Here. I'll kind of move it closer. Okay. Here's the next step. Okay, and it's like right here. Yeah. Nope. Yep. That goes there. Along with that there. And we need a 1x3 to go line up with that. Yep. Satisfying pop. Kind of move these more over and up so I can see them. Phone's kind of blocking where they were. All right, next step. Here you go. Okay, so right where that was, add that, and so it wants something on top of that. We're gonna go here with that. I could pick something up. Okay, that was a fun sound. Okay. There we go. And once again, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, sweet. All right, and we're making 5 of those little things. We're gonna be putting them where they're pictured there. There's 1. Okay. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. And 5. Okay. There we go. And 1 goes there. 1 goes next to this blue. Another one there. Just try to keep them straight. I don't really know how. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so there's that step. Here's the next one. As you can see. Okay, I guess it'll be this one. So that one, then 1, 2, 3. Yep. Okay. So then there's a little 3 that goes below it. And we need these. Just realized it's pretty far away. I'll try and get it closer. Okay, that's not what we need. What about you? Still not what we need. What about you? Nope, same piece, same piece. Am I like, why? Am I just picking up all the, okay. Oh my gosh. They're all the wrong piece. I don't. What about you? Nope. Did they give me any of those pieces? Oh, hang on. Oh, there it is. Okay. It goes below that. So as you can see, like, I'm trying to get that piece, but I need another one. What about you? No. Nope. Okay, let's kind of finish this step up real quick. And then look more for that piece. Okay, so we got that. Boom, 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 bam. So we just need that. Let's see if we can find it. Okay. So it needs to go like that. Wait, found it. Found it. Okay, here's the next step. Hopefully it doesn't need any more of those because I don't think I have any more. Okay, so we need this piece. Where is that? Here. Okay. And then this goes over the circle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, perfect. So it looks like we're making more of these little pieces, and as you can see where they go. Okay. Okay. Here's the next step. Okay. Wait, what? So next to that one, goes kind of like that. Does it go down? It doesn't really, I don't know. And then like so. Nope, 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 please. Thank you. No. There we go. Yeah, this is really hard having big hands with Gerber baby pieces. Okay, we got another leaf there. And you go here. Yeah. I need another one of those to line up with those. And another leaf. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, perfect. Okay, here's the next step. As you can see, we have another thing. There you go. So I'm just gonna go over that. You. Please. There we go. Sort of, not really. Okay. Where's another leaf? There's a leaf. And then we need to throw the leaf just like that. And it goes like that. And then like that. I think. All right, here's the next step. I'm going to the bottom of the set. I think I bumped the camera, my bad. Okay. I think I bumped it again. Having issues. Where are we? Okay, so we have this piece. And we have these. Then we have that, and this goes here. And one goes upside down against it, or not reflected, because that would be over here. It doesn't matter. And then like that. Did I do that wrong? No. There's another piece somewhere. There it is. And 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And another piece. It's like right there. Not that piece, this piece. I'm trying to keep them on the screen for you, but not doing a very good job. So next step, just 4 more of these guys down there. Against that, yeah. I don't even know what these are. I don't think I've seen the actual real painting in a long time to know if these are something important on them. Because they're just like little faces. And I don't know if there's any faces on the actual painting. Oh, nice little pop there. Okay, let's show you the next step. There you go. There's just those 3 pieces. They go on top of the little men here. Okay, here's the next step, kind of in the corner. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think. 1, 5, 6, 9. All right. We got one more little tiny step. Just 2 pieces there, and they go in the very bottom corner. And then we'll be on bag number 11. Okay, so that was bag number 10. If you enjoyed, watching me build Legos, leave a like and subscribe to know when I'm going to be building again. So hope to see you in the next one. See you.